Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is Psycho Boyfriend Calls His Mom to Cry During Arrest. Bites officer, man. Come on, you can't bite the officer and then want to cry to mama now.
On March 10th, 2023, officers responded to a home after a woman reported that her boyfriend was acting aggressively towards her.
You guys give us a call?
Yep, sure did.
What's going on?
Cause he being very aggressive, abusive.
Yes, I'm leaving my house.
While I'm in my kid, while I got my kids.
What's he doing?
They can't do shit.
You see it? Look,
What's going on, man?
I ain't gonna say nothing.
Okay, you want to just talk to my partner?
Yeah.
Don't touch me, none of that shit.
Hey, I'm not trying to touch
I'm
you.
leaving. Don't touch me.
What's she upset about?
I'm leaving. It don't matter. It don't matter. I'm leaving with my child.
My car.
Come on, man. Stop it.
Listen, man, I'm not trying to stop you.
I said, I know you're not gonna stop me.
I do got to talk to you, though, you know?
You don't have to. I'm not. No, you don't.
Listen, man.
You got a warrant.
Bro,
None of that shit.
listen, dude. Hey, stop.
Hey, you're not supposed to put your baby in the front. Your baby shouldn't be in the front seat.
Okay, I'm putting my baby in the back. Do not touch me, bro.
Do you have a gun on you,
Can
Donnie?
you please come get me? Don't touch me or nothing. I don't have a gun or nothing. Don't touch
Can
me.
we pat you down?
No, you can't. You don't have a warrant to touch me.
Listen.
Mama, please. Mama, can you please come get me, man? Because these people is with me. I never did nothing.
What I want him to do is get up out of here. He's very verbally abusive.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
You don't want him to take your car?
I don't want him to take my car. I don't want him to abuse me in front of my kids.
Okay, did he abuse you today?
Yes.
What did he do?
He was punching me, cussing me out.
She upset because me and her, like, we've been drinking a little bit.
Yeah.
But I didn't really drink. She is, like, she upset, bro. I don't know, but she upset because I want to leave.
Where did he hit?
Listen, he hit me in my face. I don't know. He was swinging, so he hit me in my face. It's 2 kids up there. You can go up there and ask.
Okay. They're your kids?
Yes, my kids that we don't have nothing in common with. So this is
Just
the one
that
that.
one? Just the baby?
Stevie, you really on my daughter,
Hey,
bro.
you're not gonna
take me away from my daughter, bro.
Man, if you get in this car, you're going to get a DUI.
I'm not gonna get a deal because I'm not drunk.
But you've been drinking,
Mama.
you have your kids here. I can't. And
Mama,
let's
please,
open the door.
Mom, please come get me, Mom, please. Mom, where's Will at? Please tell Will come get me.
Let's have somebody come get you. I just want to figure out what's going to be best for both of you guys so you guys don't fight. So
We
you guys
okay,
get out of
that's
here.
the thing.
I
We
believe
just have an
you.
understanding, bro. That's all.
And I believe you. But obviously, y'all can't be here together right now, at least.
Mama.
See, that's why that alcohol is dangerous, boy. That alcohol dangerous, man. This guy start crying like a little baby, man. Golly, he crying to mama like, yo, this is man, come on, man. Wipe them tears up, man. Man up, man.
Please come get me, bro. Thank you, please, bro. Mama. Mama, baby. All that shit, bro. You don't even have to come, bro. This is my
Where's the
child's
keys
mother,
to
bro.
my
I'm
car
gonna give it
and
to
my
you.
apartment?
Here, please come get me, man. Like, y'all, we didn't call y'all, bro. Come on.
We were sitting here having a good time.
Okay.
So
All
who
of a sudden,
called?
He got mad because he said, "Come in the room and woo woo woo." I said, "No, I don't want to lay with you and woo woo woo." So I slept on the couch.
This is my child's mother. She been drinking.
And then all of a sudden, he come in there. He poured a whole thing of water on me.
He's sitting in your face?
Yeah, like I'm blocking, and then he go back in there like he packing all his stuff. So I'm getting ready like he ain't finna take my car.
How many times did he hit you?
I don't know.
Mama, just please get up here.
Hey, you not free to go and you detained right now. What the f am I gonna do?
No, I understand. No. Yeah, I know.
All right, what's your first name, bro?
Huh?
What's your first
Hey, shout out to mama, man. Finally, we got a parent that understands. It's like, what you calling me for? You already got in the jam. What am I supposed to do? What do you expect me to do? You already, you better talk to them cops.
name?
Why I gotta give you my first name?
What's your name, dude?
No, I'm saying, why do I have to give you my first
She gave
name?
me water.
Okay. What happened upstairs?
No, I told her. I said, I told my child mother. She been drinking.
Right.
So I told her, may you please take me home because I asked her, I'm trying to see what's wrong with her, because she's having an attitude. So I'm like, okay, just take me home. So I guess she's seen you guys, so now all of a sudden she's seen.
So
But
listen,
she's gonna
man,
take me
so
home.
she's saying that you were swinging at her, okay?
Sir, I promise you.
We have a witness in
Please.
there, so I'm asking you.
Please, mama.
I'm asking you how many times you how many times did you hit
Sir,
her?
I never, I promise you, mama, I never hit this lady. Can y'all please just tell my child's mother, please come out here, please?
Listen, dude.
This is my
At this point,
child's.
we just need you to be honest, okay? I get that y'all were fighting,
No.
but you
we
lying
wasn't-
to us is
sir,
not gonna end well.
I'm telling you guys, we wasn't fighting. We wasn't fighting or anything. Hello? Hello?
Are you not gonna give us? Under arrest, dude.
No, I'm not.
Oh, he dropped the officer. Hold up. Oh, nah, hold up, boy. Hold up.
No, I'm not.
Oh, damn, he flung him like nut. Oh, yeah. Oh, got him together. Good form tackle. Boom. Oh. Woo. He must have played football, boy. Oh, yeah, you definitely going to jail now.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Dude, you're gonna get tased.
Hey, mama, please.
You gotta stop all that crying, man.
Your hands behind your back. You're going to get tased.
They had their knees in my back.
Keep control.
Mama! They busted my lip! Astavia! Listen! Baby, come on!
Hands behind your back.
You want to kill me, bro?
It's too much.
Astavia, please! Astavia! Arrest! Astavia!
Stop resisting.
No!
Give us your hand.
No!
Come on.
No! Do you hear what we're talking
Stop all that crying, man. Damn.
I can't breathe!
Give us your
Breathe,
hands.
baby!
Give us.
I want my baby!
You have to give us your hand.
You're some bitches! Look at your knees, I can't breathe, bro!
Come to comply then.
Hey, bro, record this!
Give us your
Record this, baby! Record this! I can't breathe, y'all! Astavia, please, baby! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Where the other one comes from?
Behind your back. Dude, you can't bite me, man. Stop biting me. What the fuck? He's got me already. Holy shit! What is wrong with you? You're a grown-ass man.
I don't have. Hang on.
That's what I'm saying. You a grown man.
There we go.
Watch your finger. No, Jackie, your finger.
Okay.
Got it. Secure. Man.
Shut up, nigga! You a bitch, nigga! What's wrong with you? Pussy ass
The cop a bitch, but you the one crying like a girl over there, man. This ain't this something. Ain't this something.
to get me, nigga.
You over there crying for mama, man.
Record this.
Look, when you hear somebody saying I can't breathe, what are you gonna do? You making this
You on rocks.
so
You need to stop.
Here's what we're talking about. Hey,
Yes, stop.
listen, it's over. Let me speak.
Oh, now you're not gonna let.
Who the hell is that guy? This is the problem. You never know when no one can't breathe, right? You know, or it's not that they can't breathe. It's just that they're losing some of the oxygen. And sometimes that does happen if you're a bigger person and they're piled up on you. That does happen sometimes. But the thing is that everybody says that they can't breathe. So it is what it is. The faster you comply, the faster they can roll you on your side so you can get some air and then hopefully get you up. But you keep fighting and crying and all of that. Yeah, they gonna get you together first. And who the hell is this guy, man? Why don't you go back in the house? Go back in the house.
Did y'all record this?
Look, when you hear somebody saying I can't breathe, what are you gonna do? You making this
You on rocks. You need to stop.
Here's what we're talking about.
Man, take your ass in the house, man.
Let me speak.
Oh, now you're not gonna let.
Come on, man. You're too much here. Keep on his arm. Careful, you don't want to be on that side. Where's my phone at? Where do I keep pulling my arm like that, bro? Okay, so grab my arm like that, though. What? You grab my arm too tight, bro.
Is anybody bleeding?
Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Yeah, no, not you. We talking about the cops, man. Not you.
Bro, you gotta keep grabbing my neck, bro. Got another charge. Shut up. Yeah, just spit in my fucking eye. Oh, yeah, spit out. Spit out.
Don't open the door. Take this. Give this to one. That's good. Bust.
Yeah, bust. Get a charge.
Let's just get him there. You got it in your eye?
Yeah, he got it in my fucking eye. I already wiped it out.
The suspect was charged with multiple counts of domestic battery, multiple counts of aggravated battery on an officer, and multiple counts of resisting arrest. All felony charges. He was sentenced to 2 years in jail.
Good. That's good for him. Good job. Finally, they getting sentenced to something. You never see them really get sentenced to anything. So it's about time. I'm happy. He's a piece of crap. So that's the end of the story, man. That man crying like a girl, man. Oh man, this is insane, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.